Hi guys, so today I'm taking you from Shinsaibashi to Umeda. Umeda means the Osaka station, and you're gonna be really surprised. As you can see here, almost everything is shut down, everything is closed. It's Sunday. On Sunday we have more than like 1,000 of people. They are walking here. 4,000-5,000 people is usually is normal to walk in this shopping arcade. So join me and watch me till end. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to push the bell button. This is Shinsaibashi Midotsuchi Station. Right now I am in front of Yodobashi camera in Umeda and they are closed now, and just over there is Osaka station. So I'm taking to Osaka station to let you know that how many people are left compared to my last video. Please don't forget to join my YouTube, subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell button because I'm going to put lots of videos every week, 1 or 2 videos about Japan. So I need your help to promote my channel and promote the Japanese beautiful places.
足元に注意してお乗りください。足元が滑りやすいので、手すりにつかる。
Okay guys, so let me know how was my video here. I posted one more video about Dotonbori before and after Corona, and lots of people they give me good response here at Osaka station. I hope that you like this video, and it is accidentally that I shoot the video almost an year ago. I didn't know this kind of thing will happen, and one day I have to compare the before and after Corona. But after this video, don't forget to push the subscribe button and bell icon. If you push the bell icon, you can get notified whenever I put my new post on the YouTube, and please check my Facebook too. Till then, follow me.